Do you like cake? Don't they study in the library? Hello everyone, my name is Spencer from Cake English. Today you will learn how to make positive and negative questions in the present simple tense with action and stative verbs. You'll also learn how to make positive questions and negative questions with do as a main verb. Are you ready? Great. You can use do to ask if someone does or doesn't do some action. Do you remember how to make positive and negative questions with be? Making questions with other verbs follows the same rules. To make questions in the present simple tense with all verbs except be, it's simple. All you need to do is change the word order. For instance, I do like cake or I like cake becomes, do you like cake? I'm asking if you like cake. To ask if someone or something does some action, it's easy. Start the question with do or does depending on the subject. Remember, if the subject is he, she, or it, use does. Then say the subject and then say the main verb. The main verb will stay in the infinitive form. Don't change it to match the subject. For instance, don't say, does he works here? Say, does he work here? You can also use do as a main verb like you learned in the previous video. Here as well, only the first do should match the subject, and the main verb do will not change. For example, do you do your homework? I'm asking if you regularly do your homework. Let's practice changing statements into questions. I will say a sentence using some stative or action verb. You will change the sentence into a question. You come home right after work. Good. Do you come home right after work? He does the dishes after eating. Right. Does he do the dishes after eating? We think it's a good plan. Perfect. Do we think it's a good plan? Now that you feel more comfortable making do questions, let's practice asking and answering do questions. To answer a do question, you can simply say yes or no. However, it's better to give a full answer. For instance, if I ask you, do you want to watch a movie? You can answer, yes, I want to watch a movie. I do want to watch a movie. Or, no, I don't want to watch a movie. You can also answer more simply. Yes, I do. Yes, I want to. Or, no, I don't. Let's practice. I'm going to ask you questions about yourself and you can try answering. Do you know her? You said, yes, I do. I do know her. I know her. Or, no, I don't. I don't know her. Do you want to come to my party? You said, yes, I do. I do want to come to your party. I want to. Or, no, I don't. I don't want to come to your party. Do you feel energetic today? You said, yes, I do. I do feel energetic today. I feel energetic. Or, no, I don't. I don't feel energetic today. Making a negative question is also easy. Just like making negative questions with the be verb, it's used when you have an opinion. It means you think the person did the action and you're asking if you're right. To make a negative present simple tense question, add not. The more formal version is to split do or does and not. The more casual and natural version is to use the contractions don't and doesn't. For example, do you not like cake? Or, don't you like cake? This means I think you like cake and I'm asking if I'm right. Let's practice. I will tell you what you think someone does. you will ask a negative question about that person to me. Remember, the contractions don't and doesn't are more natural. You think they go to the same school. Great. You said, don't they go to the same school? Or, do they not go to the same school? You think he wants to try the soup. Perfect. You said, doesn't he want to try the soup? Or, does he not want to try the soup? You think I know how to go to the mall. Right. You said, don't you know how to go to the mall? Or, do you not know how to go to the mall? Answering negative do questions is easy. Answer with no if what I think is not true, and yes if it is. It's the same as answering a positive do question. For example, if I ask you, don't you like this movie? It means, I think you like this movie. Am I right? So if you don't like the movie, you can answer, no, I don't like this movie. I don't. If you do like it, then say, yes, I do like this movie. I do. I like this movie. Fill in the blanks to answer my question. Doesn't he go to the park every afternoon? Good. No, he doesn't go to the park every afternoon. He doesn't. Don't they know the answer? Nice. Yes, they do know the answer. They do. They know the answer. Don't you think the cat is cute? Perfect. No, I don't think the cat is cute. I don't. Now you know how to use do as an auxiliary verb with other main verbs to ask questions. Excellent job! Did you enjoy today's lecture? Wait, don't just leave yet. If you go to the Cake app, below the video, you'll see our A-Level Speaking Challenge feature. It'll help you practice speaking key sentences from the lecture, and you can also get your pronunciation checked. So check it out and try until you get an A to improve your speaking skills. So download Cake today, and I'll see you in the next class. Bye!